Producer AI Review and Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to review Producer AI and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Producer AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Producer AI, it is now also known as Google Flow Music. It is an AI-powered music creation platform that developed under Google Labs that enables users to generate, edit, remix, and redefine original songs using natural languages, prompts, and also the platform assists musicians, producers, and content creators in creating melodies, lyrics, vocals, instrumentals, and music videos with minimal technical expertise, in which it also offers a feature such as AI-assisted music generation, remixing, stem separation, project management, and publishing tools, providing an end-to-end environment for music production. So now from here, to start using this, just click the login button, and here it will show you on this pop-up window that you need to sign in using your Google account. Upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do after signing in is to simply agree to the terms and conditions right here and click get started. Just also click agree button below here. Once done, you need to also enter your username, or you could also upload your profile picture by clicking edit photo in here. And upon clicking the save button, you will now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Flow Music, also known as Producer AI. And from here, we have an option to choose either new session, songs, playlists, spaces, and many more. In which under new session, from here it will show you a variety of options to choose from, which is a template such as to explore in here to see what others user in here already created, so you can use this as your guide in creating your own. You also have an option to choose by clicking this button to customize producer, use instrument, and many more. You could also create using audio recording and even uploading any images in here, as you can see. Now moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate the songs option. By clicking on it, you should be able to see the list of your library options of songs and your favorites in here. Moving on, aside from this, under playlist, you could also see here the playlist, but you could also add more by clicking new playlist and enter the details on this pop-up window, including the name, the description, and even the images in here. Then click create to create a new playlist if you want to. For example, I'm going to add here this kind of playlist, as you can see, fill. Click create button, and it is now added in our playlist. You can also add a music on it, or click the publish if you want to. Under spaces in here, this kind of feature lets user create custom interactive music tools and creative experiences using natural language instead of traditional programming. While the music videos option allows user to generate AI-powered music videos that automatically synchronize visuals with their songs. But now going back to our spaces, if you want to add more new spaces, just click this new spaces plus button, and it will automatically add or send a prompt in here. And it will show you in here the result. To create a space together, you need to provide some ideas, including what kind of idea you want to create. Let's say a minimalist Winamp skin or interactive synth pad in here. Upon entering that kind of prompt or answer, it will automatically show you the result in here, or the answer from Flow Music, also known as Producer AI. So by simply providing a variety of information, you'll be able to start creating your own music using this platform. And using this feature spaces, it enables users to build virtual instruments with audio effects, drum machines, synthesizers, sequencers, plug-in games, and other music production utilities that can be used within their interactive or creative workflow. And as you can see, I'm now navigating the Liquid Synth, and we can start simply browsing it depending on the purpose of this one, including how the music or sound like, the bass, if you want to add a drum loop if you want to, and many more. So basically everything in here is pretty much accessible and also customizable. So now we already created a new space in here. You can also do the same process in here under music video if you want to create a new music video. However, upon creating it, you need to also provide a prompt in here or answer some of the question depending on what kind of music video you want to create. For example, a song selection, subject image, style references, creative direction, display, and many more. I'm going to enter let's write a new song. Upon entering that, it will automatically show you an answer in here that might also need for you to choose your preferred type of song and also your theme, the bass, and many more. Since you as a user can customize the video styles, themes, colors, camera movements, and transition to fit the creative vision. So as you can see, this is basically what the song looks like upon writing using this platform. Moving on to our projects, you could also click New Project button on the top left corner. Upon clicking on it, on this pop-up window, just simply fill out the required information to create a new project. Now under our profile, it will show us our profile including the number of songs, playlists, music videos, spaces, and many more. And now this turntable option in Google or Producer AI is community evaluation feature where user can listen to two AI generated music templates created from the same prompt and vote for one they believe better matches the prompt. So basically from here, just choose which output is the best for you, in which the collected feedback helps improve the platform's AI model while users earn additional AI credits for participating in the evaluation process. And now upon clicking New Session from here, just click Compose button on the top right corner and it will show us in here that we can start adding a prompt. For example, I'm going to add here, create a drill song with 190 bits per minute or BPM. Upon entering it or sending it, it will show us in here that it is now currently being created or generated. So all we need to do is to wait for it to load. And using this compose option, it allows us user to modify and regenerate specific aspects of an existing song without creating it from scratch. And through the compose interface, users can simply edit elements such as lyrics, sounds, dynamics, and other song details by providing text instructions. Now aside from that, you could also click the share button on the top right corner if you want to share the session by simply sharing the link to your friends. And now as you can see, the music's now been created. You could also click the play button in here to hear what the song sounds like. And if you want to add more kind of like elements, including to change the tempo, add an aggressive lyrics, and make it darker, you can do so by clicking some of the buttons in here. Or if you want to add a new customized prompt in here or changes. For example, I'm clicking change tempo. Upon clicking on it, you should be able to see the result. Then once you play this, you should be able to hear that it has been changed to tempo. Then you can simply download it and also share this with others. So basically, this Producer AI is now known as Google Flow Music. It's important because it makes music production accessible and efficient and innovative through the use of artificial intelligence by allowing users to generate melodies, lyrics, instrumentals, vocals, and music videos using simple text prompts. And the platform lowers the technical barriers to use creation, enabling both beginners and experienced musicians to produce a high-quality content. And now in terms of the pricing plan that they offer, we have here free, starter, plus, and member plan with each corresponding prices and benefits including on each plan. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Producer AI. Thank you.